Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a little tip of what I use to clean my boat after a long day on the water. You go to your store, whatever store you want that sells quick spray wax, and then get distilled vinegar. You fill this up halfway with the quick spray and the rest of it with the vinegar. Shake it up and I'll show you what I use to clean the water spots off my boat. So my boat was pretty clean, but here's some water spots right there. It's a good example. That's on my boat trailer, and black is a really good example because it shows everything. So you take your mixture of 50% spray wax and 50% vinegar, shake it up well, give a nice spray like that. You don't have to wait long. Just take a rag and look at that, wipes right off. That just nice and clean. I can even get close. You don't see any water spots. I'm going to show you another example over here. Here's another example. Spray it. See the water spots are there? And boom. Water spots gone. Nice and clean. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And this is pretty much how I clean my boat, and I save tons of money from not buying that other stuff in the store. I mean, it works good, but for 20-30 bucks, it's not even worth it. You can make your own for less than $10. Alright, thank you.